Today we're making sweet corn popcorn. Today we're going to be making sweet corn popcorn. This is a product by Gold Medal. It's a pop and glaze product, and it's called sweet corn. We've never made this before. We're assuming it's going to be like a kettle corn, but we're going to give it a try. So let's get popping. Let's make some sweet corn popcorn. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. Just a reminder, down in the description, there are links to all the products we're using here today. Also, down in the description is a link to get our free Popcorn Genius recipe book. It has recipes in there for a kettle corn machine like this, also for a theater style popper, and also for the whirly pop. So check that out. You can get all 3 of those for free. If you want to build one of these poppers just like we did, there's also a link for plans on how you can make one yourself. All right, we're going to put in 1.5 cups of sweet corn. There we go. That glaze pop and makes that foam up like that. We've never tried this flavor before, but we're assuming it's just like kettle corn. So we'll see what it says. Salt to this. Got our mini sifter going here. Get rid of all those unpopped kernels. Oh yeah, that's nice and bright. That looks really good. All right, let's give it a try. Let's take a quick look at it. I mean, it's just like regular kettle corn. Let's give it a taste. Yeah. Tastes just like kettle corn. Very, very similar. I would say it's a little lighter than kettle corn in the fact that the coating's not as thick, but it's really good. I mean, I love sweet and salty kettle corn. This is another great product. So you can make this one too. It's a Gold Medal product called sweet corn. So get out there and get popping.